Alright, in the previous video, we introduced the UltraReach PoE coax, which enables PoE power and data transmission over coaxial cable for distance up to 1,000 meters. And we also mentioned that this technology not only supports coaxial cable, but also works with UTP and twist pair cable, offering unique and powerful functionality across various types of network cabling. And this versatility brings excellent convenience and cost effectiveness. Today, we're focused on specific implementation of how to utilize UltraReach PoE coax in elevator application. Currently, many of the in-cab devices in elevator systems are still outdated analog devices, like low-resolution analog cameras, display terminals, and card readers. There is an urgent requirement of digitalization to upgrade these analog devices to IP networking devices and utilize the latest technologies. When we talk about upgrade, we're going to encounter some challenges. The biggest obstacle to this upgrade is significant cost of replacing the traveling cable, which typically consists of a coaxial cable and twist pair cable, but lacks of network cables. To connect the IP network devices, additional network cable would need to be installed. And this not only involves high material expenses, but also labor-intensive installation process. Elevator systems demand reliable ultra-long distance connectivity between the control room and the cab to ensure seamless communication and power delivery for in-cab devices. And the distance often exceeds 600 feet, while the regular extended PoE power supply device cannot reach. While elevators have power for core functions like lighting and traction, but it is not suitable for IP devices due to incompatible voltage. Meanwhile, traditional Ethernet cables for IP cameras might not be suitable for constant flexing, can wear out very quickly. The LINOVISION UltraReach PoE is a highly effective solution for addressing elevator connectivity challenges. Using LINOVISION ULC converters, it enables the simultaneous transmission of both Ethernet data and PoE power over existing coax or twisted pair cables, which commonly found within the traveling cables of legacy elevator system. LINOVISION UltraReach PoE technology is designed for ultra-long distance transmission with support for distance up to 3,300 feet, 1,000 meters. It is a perfect fit for unique demand long distance of elevator applications. And the installation is incredibly easy and straightforward. A passive ULC transmitter is installed in the elevator cab to deliver power and data to the device like cameras or signal board, while the ULC receiver in the control room connects to the PoE switch, injector, and MAR, ensuring seamless power and data support over extended cable. Another key advantage of the LINOVISION UltraReach PoE technology is ability to support multiple endpoint devices, overcoming the typical limitation of point-to-point transmission commonly associated with coax and twist pair cables, which usually support only a single device per line. By integrating LINOVISION PoE extender 2-port at the transmitter side in elevator cab, the system enables the connection up to 2 IP network devices over single cable, providing enhanced scalability and efficiency. And let's quickly summarize the advantage of UltraReach PoE coax technology brings to elevator applications. With UltraReach PoE coax, avoiding huge cost of replacing traveling cables, customers can still use existing cable to enable the latest IP network devices in elevator cabs. Beyond the coaxial cable, it also supports UTP and twist pair cables, allowing it to seamlessly adapt to varying cabling setup within the elevator system. And UltraReach PoE enables stable data and power transmission across distance of up to 1,000 meters, easily connects to the control room to the cab, supporting consistent, uninterrupted performance throughout the elevator shaft. higher stability compared to some, wireless bridge solution in the market. As the elevator system can cause significant interference to the wireless systems, there's no interference issue for our wireless solution. No local power input is required in the elevator cab side. This is not only simplifies the installation process, but also reduces maintenance requirements, lowers overall costs.